Alright, so I'm going to answer the final question here, which is H. And we've got 1027. 1027. Now this question is tricky, and you're going to see why it's tricky. The first thing that we need to take note of is where is our big hand. Now our big hand is going to be on the 27-minute mark. Well, I know that, this is 25 minutes, so this is 26, 27. So my big hand is going to be here on the 27. And then my small hand is going to be between the 10 and the 11. So let's just draw that in about there. That's pretty bad. Let's try that again. Somewhere there. That's what it's going to look like. Now, neither of my hands is exactly on one of the numbers. So what we need to do is we just need to figure out where exactly they are. So I'm just going to draw in that, and we know that the angle that this makes here is 30 degrees. So we want to figure out what exactly this is going to be. Now, the way I would think about this, and I think the best way to think about this, is to appreciate, and let me grab orange here, is to appreciate that, this right here, it's minutes, right? This is 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 minutes. I've divided this section up into 5 pieces. So what that means is I've gone through 2 out of 5 here, and here I've gone through 3 out of 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is 3/5, this is 2/5. So I'm thinking about it in terms of quarters. Now what I want is I don't care about this 2/5. What I care about is the angle of this 3/5. So that means I want 3/5 of 30 degrees. And we know that that of is the same as times. So I'm going, what's 3/5 of 30? And this is where you can use your calculator. You can go 3 divided by 5, and then you can times that by 30, and you're going to get 18 degrees. So that means this right here is 18 degrees. Perfect. Now we come to a bit of an easy part. Oh, actually, before we get to the easy part, let's do the other hard part. Let's do the horrible things first. We now need to figure out where exactly this small hand is. So let's again do the same procedure. Let's draw a line here. Let's draw a line here. Now, we've done this lots of times now, so we should know the general process of what we're doing here. What we're trying to figure out is what this angle here is going to be. Now, we know that I have gone 27 out of 60 minutes. So this right here represents the fraction 26 out of 60 out of this entire 30 degrees. So if I go 26 out of 60 and then times that by, 30 degrees. If I times that by 30, I'll get my answer. So 27 out of 60 times that by 30 is going to give me 13.5. So that right there is going to be 13.5. So we've done that step tons of times, so hopefully you're comfortable with it. Again, if you're not, please reach out and we can chat. And now what we need to do is we need to figure out what this is going to be. Well, I know that this here is 30, this is 30, and this is 30, and this, if I zoom out here, is 30. 30, 60, 90, 120. So I've got 120 if I go 4 times that 30, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Now I just need to add everything together. Nothing too hard here. So I'm going to go, I have 13, let me get this one. I've got 13.5, I have 18, I have 120. Let's grab our calculator. I have 13.5, I have 18, I have 120. My answer is 151.5, which is what it says at the back of the book, which is good. 151.5. And that's my final answer. Again, these are tricky questions, but if you can visualize what you're doing, it makes it far more manageable. Hopefully, you found this question okay. Stop recording.